AliExpress, your gateway to global shopping. Imagine a world where you can access products from every corner of the globe, right from the comfort of your home. AliExpress is a huge online marketplace. It connects buyers in India to sellers worldwide, making international shopping easier than ever before. Founded in 2010, it's owned by the Alibaba Group, a giant in the e-commerce industry. This platform has revolutionized the way we shop. Think of it as a global bazaar offering everything imaginable. From everyday essentials to unique, hard-to-find items, it's all here. From trendy clothes to cool gadgets, AliExpress has it all. Whether you're looking for the latest fashion or the newest tech, you'll find it. You can find things here that are hard to get in India. Rare collectibles, niche products, and specialty items are just a click away. Plus, you often get amazing deals and discounts. With frequent sales and promotions, you can save big on your favorite items. Happy shopping! Navigating AliExpress. Finding your treasure. Using AliExpress is easy and convenient. First, you need to create an account. Just enter your email address and create a secure password. Once your account is set up, you can start exploring the vast marketplace. Use the search bar to find specific items you're interested in. Simply type in keywords related to the product you want. Alternatively, you can browse by category. Look for electronics, fashion, or home. Each category is filled with a wide range of products to choose from. When you find something you like, click on it to see the product page. Here, you can view detailed information about the item. You can also read reviews from other buyers to get an idea of the product's quality and performance. This helps you make an informed decision before purchasing. Once you're satisfied, add the item to your cart and proceed to checkout. Happy shopping on AliExpress. Paying the AliExpress way simple and secure. AliExpress offers several payment options for Indian buyers. You can use your credit or debit card. Many Indian banks are supported. AliExpress also accepts payments through digital wallets. These may include Paytm or Google Pay. Look for the available options during checkout. Section 4. AliExpress in India, a growing trend. AliExpress is becoming very popular in India. This e-commerce giant has captured the attention of millions of Indian consumers. Millions of Indians are now using this platform. From urban cities to rural areas, the reach of AliExpress is expanding rapidly. Why? Because it offers great prices on a massive selection of goods. Whether you're looking for electronics, fashion, or home decor, AliExpress has it all. Shipping times have also improved. The platform has worked hard to streamline its logistics. Many sellers now offer faster shipping options to India. This means customers can receive their orders in a matter of days rather than weeks. This makes AliExpress even more appealing to Indian shoppers. The combination of affordability, variety, and improved delivery times has made it a favorite among online shoppers in India. Section 5. Tackling the challenges, shipping and beyond. One common concern with AliExpress is shipping time. Since products often come from overseas, delivery can take a few weeks. However, many sellers offer tracking information. This lets you see where your package is. If you have any issues, contact the seller directly through the AliExpress platform. Section 6. Shop smart. Tips for a seamless experience. Before you buy, check the seller's ratings. Look for sellers with high positive feedback. Read the product descriptions carefully. Pay attention to details like size, color, and material. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact the seller. Communication is key. Section 7. AliExpress. Unlock a world of savings. AliExpress offers a world of products at your fingertips. With some savvy navigation and these helpful tips, you can unlock amazing deals. Happy shopping. Remember to shop smart, stay safe, and enjoy the world of AliExpress.